Welcome to the TailorMate App tutorial video. On Orders page, search for the order you want to edit. Click on the order to go to Order Details. Click the Delete icon shown next to the item. Confirm deletion by clicking the Delete button. The item will be deleted. If you have only one item in the order will be automatically changed to cancelled status. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions about TailorMate app, please call us or WhatsApp on the number given here.